Well, èní ní day 27 tí à ń pè ní the Yoruba Nation campaign movement tó ṣì ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ right opposite me òun ní Nigerian House tí ó wà ní Central London. Tí a bá rántí ibi báyìí ni ibi tí bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ tí wọ́n fowó kòkó rà tó ti di pé ó ti wà lọ́wọ́ federal government. Now many people béèrè pé kí ni reason tí Yorùbá ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ dúró. Ìdí tí Yorùbá ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ dúró ni pé àǹfààní tí Yorùbá ní nígbà Western region òun ni building tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, this particular building. If you look at it there, you know that building all the way through to the corner, all the way to the corner place. That is the àwọn nǹkan tí bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ ṣe. Now lẹ́ni nísìnyí ẹ wo ibi tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wà, ẹ wo ibi tí a wà lẹ́ni, ẹ rí i pé a wà far behind, and these are many reasons. A ṣe ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé àsìkò tó kí a dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí orílẹ̀-èdè. It is not a crime láti sọ pé o fẹ́ self-determination. And we are using this opportunity to tell the President of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, at one point, you also said you do not believe in one Nigeria. The question now is, what made you change your mind to believe in one Nigeria? Is it for your own selfish interest? 60 million Yoruba people under the leadership of Professor Adebanji Akintoye are now asking for Yoruba self-determination now, so that we can exit peacefully out of Nigeria and have our own independent country. We don't want to have any more relationship with the name brand Nigeria that was put together by Britain in 1914 amalgamation. And that is the reason why Tashin Sokwe, it is either we have a Yoruba country now, or there will be so many disunity and many problems across Yoruba land. Fulani ń gbalẹ̀ mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. So possible kí wọ́n máa dẹran ní London? Is it possible? In the United Kingdom, wọ́n máa da ẹran ní United Kingdom. All these and many more. Ó ní pé a fẹ́ claim identity wa padà. A fẹ́ dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ṣe wá before àwọn Britain dé ní 1914 amalgamation by Lugard. So wọ́n mọ Yorùbá tó ń contest pé o fẹ́ Nigeria. The question is, kí ni meaning Nigeria? What is our relationship with Nigeria? Nigeria is not a country. It has many nations inside it. And Yoruba, the indigenous people from the southwest, are also demanding that we exit peacefully so that we can have a reform and a country that represents us with our language, with everything that identifies with us. Nigeria will never work. There is no amount of intel. Nigeria needs to be divided so that there can be peace around the world. My name is Olayomi Koiki, and this is Koiki Media, live opposite the Nigerian High Commission or the Nigerian House in Central London, as we continue our peaceful campaign to exit Nigeria. Nigeria is not a country, and that is why we say we want Oduduwa Republic, Yoruba Nation, no retreat, no surrender. And we would have our country because that is the only option on the table. We don't want to have any relationship with Nigeria. Afidaduro, Gegebi country tiwa. UK created Nigeria in 1914, and it has now become an expiry product that needs to end peacefully so that everybody can go back to their old tentacle. Wherever you come across this video, continue to share the video and inform those that are crying out for another election. There is no amount of election that can fix the problem of Nigerians. We are not one. We can have borders. We can have cordial relationship as many countries when we are divided. But right now, it is likely that you might not have a country anymore with the amount of Fulani jihadis that have infiltrated every part of Nigeria. Killings in Benue, Plateau, Ondo, Enugu, and everybody thinks that election is the next thing in their mind. The country is no longer working, and that is why we are saying we need to dissolve the union. My name is Olayomi Koiki. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.